Now we will see how to reassemble the pistons. Refer to the Warner Installation and Service Manual or the website www.hydra-cell.com for arrangement of parts. Drop a ball into each opening in the bottom of a piston assembly. Insert a retaining washer and O-ring to hold the ball in place. Insert a valve plunger into a valve cylinder. Slide a spring over the plunger inside the valve cylinder. Insert an O-ring into a spring retainer. Install an O-ring on the spring retainer. Slide the assembled valve cylinder, plunger, and spring into the spring retainer. Slide the complete cylinder and retainer assembly into the piston assembly. Insert a return spring into the piston assembly. Repeat the above procedure for the other two pistons. Place the cylinder housing face down on a flat surface. Insert the assembled pistons into the cylinder housing. Look into the 4 holes in the rear of the pistons to make sure that the 4 check balls are properly seated into each of the holes.